Bro, what is this big Dorito in sky? Is it UFO?
Are you hallucinating again, Antonov? I told you to drop the vodka.
But it's right there, don't you see it?
Holy smokes, he's right. This is probably the most top secret military aircraft ever.
Are you sure it's not aliens? They contacted me on radio.
Did he just talk? What the hell is he saying?
He said he wants the Soviet Union to come back and that Russians are superior human heritage.
Antonov, this is serious. We have to report it to the Pentagon.
It's the military, you idiots. We're just trolling.
Damn it. There goes my excuse to skip work.